going to drop him down since he did respond to that.
Okay. Hey, good job.
Put him back on.
I know.
Hi, Cooper. Hi, Cooper. Hi, Cooper.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under, scream but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby,
You know what's going on, Nils? He's like, whoa.
Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go, as you shoot across the sky.
Oh, I love you.
Is it on? Yeah, that one is. This one on? That one could cut a little bit shorter.
Hi, sweetie. Hey, Marielle.
What is that? Huh?
Hello. Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you, honey.
Hi, Jonathan.
Stop the sucking.
Hi.
Good.
Could you hear that? Hi, sweetie. Could you hear that? Hi. Hi.
You got that, Dad, right? Mm-hmm.
Hi, Jonathan.
Look at that.
Hi.
So sweet.
We call that a late Christmas present.
Hi. Good job, buddy.
That's really good.